Right. Welcome back, everyone. Thank you so much for tuning into another stream. Let me fix my fucking camera so that you guys aren't just staring at my fucking face super close up. All right. Thank you so much for tuning into another stream, for being here. Love you. Appreciate you. If you guys are new here, in the morning we come in, we take a look at NQ price action, see what it did during the overnight session, and then see what it could do into New York session. Then at night we come back, we take a look at NQ, see what actually happened, outline any levels, see what trades we took, and then go from there, and then kind of see what we see going into the next day. Sorry, those are fucking distracting me. I'm freaking going. Anyways, let's see what we got on the day. Let's see what we have. Let's see what we gonna do. Okay, that's good. That's good. That's good. Okay. All right. Anyways, let's see what we have going on here. So, this morning, we did not do a little outline. However, last night we were talking about this level at 29.96225. Some people might have said we were bearish, which maybe we are a little bit. All right. But anyways, this is what we were looking for in terms of this level. This is a 12-hour level that we broke above originally, came above, and then now came down, retested it. So here during the overnight session last night, we did a little short, I believe, during the overnight session. We got some shorts over here, nice initial short here, and then we fucked off. I think we also got some shorts there, fucked off. All right, that is going into that. Then today, as we were coming up over here on the 12-hour, we hit that -4236 level extension, came back down. We tested this 29.962 level that we have been talking about, and then kind of are now just bouncing around it, right? This is what I'm working with here right now. So we're working with this 29.962 level. Initially, this evening we also already took some shorts, so we fucked off already on the day. But this is where we were taking shorts, right? Going into the open, we swept the previous hourly high. This also was a previous 4-hour high here. And let me show you right there, right? Previous 4-hour high. So given that we swept that, we started to go down. Price broke below the 50% of that previous hourly candle range, and we continued to the downside and got that outside outside hour. Then for the 4-hour, price initially was just right. This candle opened up, came up a little bit, retested this breakout range, and then price continued to the downside from there. So that's what we got on today's price action, right? Retest, bounce over here, going into this OTE of this range here, as well as a bounce on the 29.962. So right now, initially what we had this morning, right? We are above the weekly open here, or previous weekly high, as price broke, but above that. We have this range here. We took the OTE of the range, so today's low, or Wednesday's low. Today's technically Thursday open, but Wednesday's low was right on that 786. So now price is retracing a little bit. That is why we also outlined this OTE of this leg to the downside. So this from the top to the bottom, just the outline of that previous day, and see if price retraces into the OTE here and then wants to continue to the downside out of it. I'm looking at that 618. With that, going into tomorrow, we are going to watch that previous weekly high. Yes, price is still above that 1550 EMA, so we are still looking for the upside for the time being. However, what we're looking at here is if price breaks below that 1550, breaks back below that previous weekly high sweep, we could continue to the downside, or at least into the end of the month, right? That's another thing, end of the month, so we're watching for some kind of fuckery here. What we had on Tuesday, we didn't go over this yesterday as we didn't do a stream. Price over here and originally retracing into the OTE of this London session range, right? Got your London session range. Let me outline that for you. and then we'll let you guys go. Retest of this range, we're tapping into the 50% of it, right? 50% doesn't have to be full. Initial sweep there, continuation to the downside. So we took that initial sweep here for that reversal to the downside, fucked off right there. Then price ended up reaching this level. We got that reversal back into the upside, sweeping that previous daily high above this level that we've outlined, and then continuation to the upside. So OTE combined with this rising big six, that gave us that continuation to the upside, as well as the manipulation during the London session, right? If we project it. Beast did the negative 2.5s, negative 2.618s, right? Right around this time. That's pretty good, actually. Let's see if we had some shit over here too. Negative 2.618, look at that. Holy fuck, we need to start outlining that. It's Thursday journal. This is more gonna be like Wednesday journal. Look. That's your Wednesday journal, right? So that was pretty cool. Cool. All right. Well, that's all I got for you guys today. Stocks wise, we are still watching, right? Alti kind of shit the bed. I'm still watching UPS. It's kind of cranking to the upside in. I'm also watching GTLB. GitLab. Those are two that I'm watching to the upside. GitLab needs to get above that 200 EMA on the daily today. It was kind of struggling over here. So we'll see how they want to close this month. Other than that, that's all I have for you guys. So thank you so much for tuning in. Thank you for watching. Love you. Appreciate you. Make sure you go check out www.papertraders.io. It's going to be on that side of the screen for you. Go check it out. That's the best way to see what we're all about, things that we offer. Check out our past streams. Check out our track record. See what we've done in the past. See how we're doing now. Check out our Discord, www.papertraders.io. So that's the best way to engage with our community, but the best way to support is just by sharing, liking these streams. Coming to check us out every day. Make sure you go check out Mr. Hayes at Hayes Beats. Give him a follow, 3,000 followers for him. We're going to do a lifetime membership giveaway for the Paper Traders. 2,000 followers for me. I'm going to do a tracks reveal. That's all. Peace out.